In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the greatest common factor. And I'm also going to show you a much easier and quicker way than listing out all the common factors. Okay, we're going to use a method called reverse division. So let's get started. Okay, we have two numbers, 45 and 72. Okay, I want to find the greatest common factor out of these two numbers. So I write the two numbers out, draw my line, and I have to decide now what number is divided equally into 45 and 72. One number that is divided equally into both of these numbers, not just one. Alright, now 45 ends in 5, so 5 would clearly divide equally into 45, but 72 ends in 2, so 5 won't work. Now 72 is an even number, so 2 will clearly be divided into 72, but not 45. So let us think. Okay, now 3, we know 3 actually works, but let's try to find a number, the biggest number possible. Because we find the biggest number possible at this stage, it's going to make it a lot easier. So 45 and 72. We know 5 doesn't go. We know 6 doesn't go. We keep going up. We know 7 doesn't go. But when we go up to 9, we realize that 9 works. So 9 can be divided equally into 45 5 times. 9 goes into 72 8 times. Okay, so 5 and 8. Now, can we think of a number that can be divided equally into 5 and 8? Well, no. The only number I can think of is 1. So 9 stands alone. So therefore 9 is our greatest common factor. 9 is the greatest common factor out of 45 and 72. Now I'm going to show you why it's much easier to try to pick the biggest number in this question. Okay, because let me just erase this and I'll show you. If I didn't go with 9, if I went with the lowest number to begin with, for instance, would work it out to be, it's not 2, it would be 3. So I would write 3 at the side. Now, how many 3's are in 45? Well, we just divide. 3 into 4 goes once, remainder 1, which just makes that 15 to make that 15. So 3 15's are 45. 3 goes into 72, 3 goes into 7 twice, remainder 1. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Okay, now the process continues, because 15 and 24 will have another number that can be divided equally into 15 and 24. We've got to work it out what it is. Now, does 2 go into 15 and 24? Well, it goes into 24 but not 15. What about 3? Well, 3 will work, so we go through the process again. 3 into 15 goes 5 times, and 3 into 24 goes 8. Okay, now again, 5 and 8, only 1 can be divided equally into 5 and 8. So therefore, the two numbers at the side, 3 and 3, if we multiply these two numbers together, we're going to get the greatest common factor, which again is what we've already found out is 9. 3 times 3 equals 9.